Hi, how are you? Today you're going to see a nice painting. So I'm just drawing it right now. Let's start the drawing. It's a scenery of an island. So let's put some bright colors and put some black colors on the top of the bright colors. You have seen there are variations of the colors here. Okay. So the deep dark surface, this is going to be an island. So we're putting the island here. All right. Now there is some variations. Let's put more color little bit. Okay, now we're going to draw some trees which we can see from the land surface here. So it's going to be upward. Okay, another tree you can see coming up here and in this direction. Okay, coming down here. And from another place a separate tree, you can see another one coming up here. All these trees are a little taller, you can see here. Okay, now to draw the branches we need a pointy brush. Let's draw the branches with this pointy brush. Okay, then we are going to draw the branches later. First let's put the leaves here. All right, so you can see the leaves here. Okay, just we're going to put few strokes from the leaves to define the characters. All right, so you can see the details I'm drawing right now. These are from the branches of the trees, the details which make the trees looks good. Another one on top. Okay, all right. Let's put the details for these branches. All right. So lots of branches you can see here. The details is almost done. Okay, so few grasses from the island we can see here. Just drawing those details now. Okay. All right, so if you like to see the reflections, you can see the reflections here like this one and the island of the reflections. That's not totally clearly visible, but you can have a image which is looks like mirror effect. Mm-hmm. All right, so looks like a sketch effect you can see here. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. So the drawing of the tree is almost done. Now we're going to draw a boat here on the top portion, which is a sailboat. You can see a sailboat. Mm-hmm. And with a bigger sail on top. All right. Another sailboat here, and top of it there's a flag you can see flying in the sky. Okay. And the deep borders of the oceans here. The separation points you can see while we draw. All right. Okay. Now, if you like, you can put the reflections of the boat here. On the water. So there's the reflections. Okay. And the few shades of the water you can see here with a long strokes of the brushes. All right, so there's the variations of the colors and the compositions. Let's put a effective colors like a two-sided effects to define the water. It's a close combinations of the white and blue color to define the waves. All right, it does looks good here. Okay, and on the top we're going to draw a sun, or the maybe if it's a night sky it's going to be a moon in the sky, which is round shape. Mm-hmm. The moon is going to be round. All right, let's put a little round here. Mm-hmm. Okay, so you can see the moon in the sky. Now we are going to put some bright stars, but before that let's put some birds flying high. All right, so birds are flying, you can see few birds are flying. Mm-hmm. All right, now we're going to put the stars with the bright white color. Lots of dots here. Let's put the dots to define the night sky. All right, so this is the painting. I hope you like the video. It's the completed version. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.